of you. We will now be starting with the quiz program, but before that I would like to introduce our quiz master for the day. Mr. Pavan Kumar, a dynamic quiz master, is currently working with Sarla Birla Academy. He has been closely associated with Administrative Management College for a number of years now. He was the head of Department of Zoology at AMC. We are happy to welcome you, sir. I request Mr. Pavan to take the proceedings forward. Thank you. I request Professor Rajesh to first hand over a token of our appreciation to Pavan, sir.
Am I audible? May I request all of you to just come and occupy the front row so that it will be nice, so that you all can participate, being the audience. May I request you all, please? Come on, get up. All settle down. I want you all to interact. Have we settled down? Yes. That's good. But when the questions are asked, I want you not to interact. Okay? I want the concerned teams to participate. Okay. At the outset, I would like to thank Administrative Management College, the principal, the head of the department, and my other colleague friends that they have given me an opportunity. Again, they have invited me to conduct a quiz here on the Science Day that has been observed today. Let me call out the 4 finalists, 4 teams. 46 teams participated in this quiz competition. Let us give all of us a very big hand. 46 teams to be scaled down to 4. Just imagine. It was a big challenge for all of us. So the 4 finalists, I would like to read out the names with the college, respective college. And I also would request the concerned students to occupy the seats. The first one, any guess? No guess. Sandeep M and Mithilesh Kumar from GKVK. Give them a big hand. Give them a big hand. They both will occupy Aditya. That's the name of the first team. What I have done is I have chosen the synonyms of sun. Aditya, Bhaskar, Marchand and Vivaswan. These are the synonyms of sun. Okay, the second team, Anu Kumari and Jeevana Praharsha from Dayanand Sagar institutions. Are they in the poster presentation? Maybe I think I can see 2 girls getting up and... Okay, fine. They will come. They will occupy the Bhaskar table. The third team for Marchand, Priyanka Ghorpade and Alai Priyanka. Priyanka and Priyanka. Priyanka squared. Yeah. Please give them a big hand. Where is the other Priyanka? She's coming. You please. The fourth team, which will occupy Vivaswan, Anjana Devi and Tejaswini, Oxford College of Science. Oxford College of Science. Give them a big round of applause. You will be occupying this table, Vivaswan. I believe the participants of second team, they are here. Anu Kumari and Jeevana Praharsha, they are here. Are they here, the participants? Here in the sense, are they in the college premises?
Sir.
MSc Agriculture, that's very good. Very good.
I am Mithilesh Kumar Singh and I am in senior MSc, Genetics and Plant Breeding Department,
Fantastic.
University of Agricultural Sciences, GKVK, Bangalore.
Fantastic. Welcome to AIMS. Is the mic on? Fine, please.
Hello, myself Priyanka Zai from RISM, Reva Institute of Science and Management.
Okay.
I'm doing MSc Biotech.
MSc Biotech, that's good.
My name is Priyanka Ghorpade. I'm from Reva Institute of Science and Management and I'm doing MSc Biotechnology 4th semester.
MSc, all PG students. Yes, we have the Vivas one.
Myself, Anjana Devi. I'm from Oxford College of Science, pursuing MSc Biotechnology.
MSc Biotechnology, yes, yourself.
Myself, I'm Tejashwini, doing MSc Biotechnology in Oxford College of Science.
All are postgraduates. Don't get surprised if there are some basic questions in basic sciences. Fine? Without further delay, we'll go through the rules and regulations. We have Mr. Thangamani here, who will help us through the visuals. The first one, rules and regulations is very simple. There will be 5 rounds. First is the general round, second buzzer round, third scramble round, fourth is a visual, and fifth one, of course, is rapid fire. Let us set the stage on fire. Shall we? Oh my God, no voice at all. I know you all are postgraduate students. Fine. Okay. We'll get into the details of the rules. Next slide, please. It's very simple, self-explanatory. The first round will have 8 questions. 2 sub-rounds you will have in this. For every correct answer, the team would be awarded 10 points, and every past question answered will fetch you 5 points. It's very simple. Is it clear, my dear students? You want me to type that there is negative? Thank you very much. Shall we go to the next slide?